Extra virgin olive oil, the liquid gold of the Mediterranean, is not just food, but also an ancient medicine for health. Today, we're going to find out what happens when you take a spoon of extra virgin olive oil every day for 7 days in a row. This journey isn't just about nutrition. It's about healing and renewing every system in your body. From calming inflammation, protecting your heart, nourishing your brain, to renewing cells. It all starts with one small habit. Join me as we uncover the hidden power in every drop of extra virgin olive oil. Sometimes, the biggest health solutions come from the simplest things. Not all olive oils are the same. Only extra virgin keeps all the good stuff and healing power. Extra virgin olive oil is cold-pressed and not refined. This keeps all the good polyphenols, like oleocanthal, which gives it that slight peppery kick in your throat and helps fight swelling naturally. On the other hand, refined oils lose most of the stuff that's good for you. When you pick extra virgin, you're choosing the full power of the olive, not a watered-down version. It's a smart choice for your health, not just about how it tastes. Remember, only extra virgin will give you the amazing changes you're about to experience. It's the foundation for your 7-day journey. On day 1, extra virgin olive oil starts to put out the fire of chronic inflammation. This is the root of many modern diseases. The oleocanthal in the oil acts like natural ibuprofen, stopping inflammation-causing enzymes at the cell level. After just 1 day, signs of inflammation in your blood have already started to go down, setting the stage for long-term health. This is the first step, but a super important one, to help your body heal and fix itself. A spoonful of olive oil today is a powerful preventative medicine for tomorrow. On day 2, extra virgin olive oil becomes a shield protecting your cardiovascular system. It helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise good cholesterol, HDL, like a cleanup crew for your blood vessels, keeping your arteries clear. The polyphenols in the oil also protect LDL from getting oxidized, which helps prevent hardening of the arteries. Because of this, blood flows easily, reducing the strain on your heart and lowering the risk of blood clots. Every beat of your heart is a thank you for your wise choice. Olive oil doesn't just protect, it also helps create a healthier environment for your heart. A small habit with a big impact on your heart health. On day 3, extra virgin olive oil helps your digestive system run smoothly, like a gardener for your gut. It lubricates your intestines, easing constipation, and also feeds the good bacteria, which are super important for your immune system and even your mood. The polyphenols in the oil are like food for these good bacteria, helping to keep your gut's ecosystem balanced. Olive oil also has a mild antibacterial effect, protecting your stomach from harmful bacteria. A healthy digestive system is your body's first line of defense for overall health. By day 4, your skin and hair start to transform. The healthy fats and vitamin E in olive oil moisturize and protect your skin from aging, helping your hair become strong and shiny. Polyphenols fight off bad stuff in your body, keeping your skin smooth and your hair soft. You don't need expensive makeup. True beauty comes from what you eat. Olive oil is the secret to glowing skin and healthy hair. On day 5, extra virgin olive oil nourishes your brain, the body's command center. Monounsaturated fatty acids keep nerve cell membranes flexible, speeding up signal transmission and boosting memory and focus. Polyphenols cross the blood-brain barrier, helping to clear plaques, a factor linked to Alzheimer's. Olive oil also encourages your brain cells to clean themselves, protecting against aging. A clear mind and sharp thinking? That's a gift for your future. On day 6, olive oil helps keep your blood sugar steady, which is super important for preventing diabetes. It makes your body more sensitive to insulin, helping your cells soak up sugar better. This lowers your risk of insulin resistance. When you eat it with your meals, olive oil slows down how fast your body takes in sugar. This stops those big blood sugar spikes after you eat. The result? You'll have steady energy, and you won't crave sweets or feel tired as much. It's a simple step to help manage your blood sugar and protect your metabolism. On our last day, extra virgin olive oil helps your liver, the body's detox factory. It helps reduce fat buildup, inflammation, and oxidative stress in the liver, which can prevent fatty liver disease. The polyphenols and vitamin E in olive oil protect each cell from free radicals, slowing down the aging process. After 7 days, you've kick-started a cycle of renewal and healing from the inside out. You've laid a strong foundation for long-term health. To get the most out of it, choose extra virgin, cold-pressed olive oil, stored in a dark glass bottle and as fresh as possible. The perfect amount is 1-2 tablespoons a day, used directly or drizzled over salads, vegetables, or whole grain bread. Olive oil helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. You can cook with it at medium heat, but it's best to use it cold to keep all those good polyphenols. Store it in a dark, cool place, with the cap tightly closed. Keep it away from light, air, and high heat. No need to put it in the fridge, just keep it away from hot spots. Simple but super effective for your health. Extra virgin olive oil is safe for most people, but watch out for the calories. 1 tablespoon has about 120 calories. Use olive oil instead of less healthy fats. Don't just add it on top of what you already eat. If you're allergic to olives, try a tiny bit first and stop if you have a bad reaction. People taking blood pressure or diabetes medicine should talk to their doctor. Olive oil can make those medicines work even stronger. Always pick a trusted brand. Stay away from fake or mixed oils. Good quality olive oil is an investment in your health. Keep these tips in mind to get all the safe and good benefits. After 7 days, you've seen the power of a small habit. A spoonful of extra virgin olive oil every day. From reducing inflammation, protecting your heart and brain, to nourishing your cells. It all starts with this simple choice. Optimal health doesn't require complicated methods, but rather persistence with small good habits. Make olive oil an essential part of your lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, comment yes, hit like, and subscribe to the channel for more practical health knowledge. Where are you watching this video from? Let us know in the comments.